Really fast.
A lot of pictures. Last time I asked, you got the sailboats in the background.
I'm gonna take some pictures.
Let me get a nice shot of
Ma, what do you like for dinner?
In and out, right?
What do I want to eat for dinner?
What are you
Yes.
making?
I want to eat you all up.
That's dumb.
That's dumb. I'm not very hungry.
Okay. Hey, Ari.
I can go for sandwiches. This guy who made tuna fish sandwiches.
I know, I didn't come very prepared.
Hey, Ari. I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Okay, hold on. Take a picture of me.
Take a picture. Can you call her up to make?
Why is there 2, 3, smile?
You call her up a week in advance. I think I'm taking a boat out. Like 4 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So we'll complete.
My kids eat too. I gave them sandwiches.
No, Dad. This is here you are.
Thanks. Oh, it's recording.
What's on the menu? What she doesn't do something?
How long was the recording for?
I'm gonna take a picture of you. Mom, can I swim? Mom, can I swim?
Yes. You want me to throw you over?
What are your criteria
Yeah, you
before you
can.
buy a house?
In
Is
here?
you have to have a meal
Yeah,
plan in the
very
area.
cold.
Look, there's a duck, guys.
A duck. Get it. Uh-oh, the captain's running over the duck.
Be careful, David.
Rabbit season.
Duck season.
Moshe, are you helping?
You're gonna lose your really secrets. Come on, get it. How you give them an allowance? What'd you hit, You ever get an allowance you're growing up? I never
So,
did.
David, are you going to change the baby's diaper when the baby comes?
If I need it, I guess.
You are.
I never really got
It's your baby, the sibling.
Okay. Yael will. Hey, David.
You switching?
Let me take a picture of you.
was, maybe not. All right, listen. You gotta get coordinated. You gotta let me know what
Make
you're
a
doing.
nice face. Come on. Take a nice bag. It's you. Okay, I'll make a nice
Hey. You just lost your pen.
Look at Raizy's big belly.
Look
Show your belly.
Hey, Lita. When we
6
were
more weeks.
in
I'll be
you.
that skinny.
Wait.
Oh, really? Right away. Who was else that?
Mosh, you're turning the boat.
What's going to be the baby's birthday, huh? What's going to be the bat mitzvah parsha?
I know. I'm in charge with this. What should we call the baby?
Ariella too, Junior.
I think if it's a boy, we'll call it Superman.
Yeah,
and if it's a girl, we'll call it Wonder Woman. That's a good name.
We'll call it Yael Junior.
That other boat?
No, we'll call.
Like that name, Yael?
No, we'll
Watch it.
call. Mine will be Yael, and the baby will be Yael Junior.
Yael Junior.
I'm in charge.
How about Ari Jr. if it's a boy?
Right. Or maybe David and Moshe.
Boat over here. I don't want
What are you going to teach the baby how to do?
another boat over here,
I'm gonna
Moshe.
teach the baby how to
David, get back in.
You're going to teach the baby how to talk?
talk.
Okay, oh, we got people here.
Really?
Oh, yeah, look at him row, paddle away. He's patted Captain Nissanoff right away. Hey, what are you doing up there?
I'm taking some pictures.
You're not taking enough pictures.
Yes, I am.
Are you holding it down?
You're
You
not
see?
taking them anybody. You're just taking them with.
We don't even know those.
Trees.
We don't even know those people. We don't even know them.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, where's my phone? Why don't we play some music?
Okay, where is it?
Let's hear you sing, Yael. Sing, I can't hear you.
Hey, wait. 1, 2, 3.
Louder. Jonathan, you sing also.
I'm the only one of my
Don't be
family.
shy. You know the words.
My whole family have crazy,
Crazy
voices, but I'm telling you.
Can you sing and dance? That's the question.
Vocalist for one of the bands in LA.
Well, that's what you would do.
Well, are you a better dancer or singer, Jonathan? Wait, you know my Who's on my shoulder? Who's on my shoulder? Besachim gam yachad. How about Schreiber? You come from a family of chazanim.
I know the song too. Mordechai and David wanted me to be on this next album, but I'm busy.
Why can't I jump?
Hine. Umatov. Umanayim.
What are you doing for the summer? You going to camp? You going to New York?
You going to New York? Really? Are you gonna come visit me?
Gonna go to camp?
What are you gonna do in New York? Shevesachim. Hine matov. Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. David.
I agree. Interest rates are going up.
Woo!
Interest rates are definitely going to go up.
Hey, I can't see. Look at the crash. Wow, this is nice inside the boat. You think you could live inside this boat?
Yeah.
How about you, Moshe? You want to live inside the boat?
No.
Should Daddy buy the boat?
Please read me Ari, kiss on the lips with your girlfriend.
Whoa.
R-E-S means to show your private to every single girlfriend that's yours.
Show you what?
Your girlfriend, your private. Every
Ooh.
single
We have soap with your name on it.
Ooh.
Who's out there?
Do you have night?
David!
We spotted Tony, aka Toddy Radner, in a disillusion. I don't think he knows where he's going. He's on the wrong side of the fence. That was my right ear. Look at him, look, he's gonna flash us. Hey, Tony. Look at him, he's on the wrong side of the fence. See, there are the seagulls, and there's Tony. He shouldn't be there. Let's hope.
Yeah, you're gonna
Where is it?
Okay, I really can't stand the smell here.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Let's smell it. Stinks.
I know.
Did you make a fart?
Tony's talking to that guy. Who is he? Looks a little suspicious.
Busted.
All right, Tony, we know what you're up to. He's making the nod. It's going down.
Can I see?
There he is. Tony.
Here's Tony.
One of them is a
All right,
brand new
we got
baby.
him.
Why are you going far? You're gonna hit the lady. Yeah. You took it? What? I'll take a picture of you.
Is it only worth it for you to do schools that are like that have over 1,000 kids, or it's not worth it if it's a smaller school?
I'm doing 1 or 2 now to test the waters, but I'm doing it as a drop-off, not a full-fledged.
They would have to try every new thing.
It is, there we go. Yael, how old are you now?
I'm 7.
You're 7 years old, and what do you have to say to the camera? If you could do one thing over in your life, what would it be?
One thing over, I don't get what you mean.
No, like one thing different. Like
Yeah.
You're sorry about one thing that you
If
did.
you could change one thing, some mistake that you made, that maybe you can go back.
That would be good question. I would guess what I've done to my brothers and my family,
Like what?
like hit them, scratch them.
Maybe you would be a little nicer to your Uncle Ari, is what you're saying.
No. Maybe I'd be a little nicer to my brothers.
Okay.
Not to Uncle Ari, who thinks he's a smarty pants.
Okay. How about you, Elisheva? If you can go back and do one thing over, what would it be?
Nothing. I'm just. No, I don't know.
Well, you must have made a mistake.
It's a hard
Change
question.
your grades.
What would I change?
Yes.
What would you change?
Not like an outfit that you change. You know, some life decision that you made.
Get back to me on that one, okay?
Okay, you need to think about it. Huh?
I know what.
I wanted to take a tour of the house, Yael. Can you give us a tour of the house? What room are we in now? Is this the study?
No, this is the den. We fixed it up a little bit. These are all the pictures over here. If you'd like to look.
Right.
The whole way down.
Good. Yeah, you
And here's a fireplace.
The TV.
Oh, and it's a living room.
TV.
It's a dining room. Let's turn it up.
And then here's this interesting coffee table.
Yes. If you would like to.
And then what's the story with these couches? Are these new couches?
Yes.
Okay, where did your mommy buy them?
Macy's.
Macy's. Okay. And who's this ugly girl here? What's going on there?
I do not know, but I want to show you. I want to show the
Take the
camera.
dining room, it's beautiful. The front hall, this is the front hall.
Oh, and here's the table. He's the master of the household? Master of your domain?
You learned that was Jewish since you married. Your parents probably don't know what that word is.
Got a lot of company.
You know where the pictures hung?
And then this is the table from Pier 1, you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to take
And the
film.
kitchen, take a look at all the goodies.
And that's the picture we hung today.
You take the living room,
Shabbos
show me the
candles. It'd be nice if we had the lights on.
living room.
Here's this a cute table.
Upstairs. Look,
door.
I made a cast.
And maybe Elisheva, could you play a soundtrack for us?
What?
Maybe Elisheva,
My little ditty.
little ditty?
Do.
There's another fireplace.
Oh, little girl.
Billy Rogan's go.
Close the window thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I have to.
Okay, forget it.
Be go.
Because it's taking too long.
Oh, I thought you were giving.
And Maestro, hit it.
Billy Rogan's go. Billy Rogan's go. Was feeling fine. Was feeling fine. In 3 red shirts. In 3 red shirts. Run up the line.
Dance and sing. You gotta dance and sing.
Bill took a stick. Bill took a stick. And give him a whack. Give him a whack. And tie him to a tie. The railroad track. The railroad
Hot.
Round of applause.
Thank you.
Okay, keep it coming.
Another song?
Yeah, no, just do the Beethoven. This is a very stupid song and idea. Hey!
Things that you think of sports package and I have a sports package.
Are we?
Yes.
So you got me on the party.
Okay, I was just giving a tour of the house. Oh, look at that.
Moshe. I'm doing always. No.
Take a picture of the kids now.
Have it.
And here are the 3 beds. Now, now we're just going to take a little bit of the menu. This looks like some salmon,
Well, it's
pescado,
actually very.
pollo,
No, that's not real.
sopa de pollo. Oh, muy bien.
Here, look in the oven. Grilled
Rico
vegetables.
suave, yeah. And then what about, here's the potato kugel.
Ollie, look.
And then here's
Ollie, look what I
mashed pollo.
did.
Schnitzel.
Ollie.
Schnitzel.
Take a picture, Mary Bell.
Maribel, hola, the camera.
Annabelle, look at me. Now look at your picture.
And then here's the head chef.
I'll smile for the camera.
Good work.
Do I?
Certainly smells good.
Yeah, it's too bad the camera can't smell.
Live at the hospital. So you figure also not just emergency care,
Oh.
but also for people having
That's so cool.
I think that was
David, we are on our way to Daphna's engagement party. Who are you gonna marry?
I'm gonna marry somebody that's nice
Yes, what else?
and somebody that's like my color skin.
Okay. And what do you think of who Daphna's marrying? Do you like him? Do you think he's a nice guy?
Nice.
Did you meet him before?
David, which way
And on a
is it-
scale
which
from
way
1
is
to
Albert's
10.
father's house? David, is it this way? Yeah, it's
Ooh,
over
here's
this way.
beautiful La Jolla.
Nottingham is also this way.
This way.
Straight?
Nottingham is also this way.
Straight.
There's
Straight.
this guy where
Straight. Here it is. He's walking.
there's this guy where he lives.
He knows. David knows. Which
David
is the
does
house.
not know.
Yes, he does.
Yes, I do.
This is 80. Which one? Which one is their house?
You meet Daphna's fiance? No? You didn't even go in?
Of course I went in.
Who's
I
this,
got
Raizy's
food.
brother?
That's right. And this is Raizy's sister.
No.
Hi, this is her in-laws live in
Like the
Muncie around the
house?
corner from us. And
Oh,
we
nice.
were in Hawaii. We
We're
met.
going to be there in a week.
Oh, really?
So you were in Hawaii, you met who?
Right. And we met
That's nice, huh? Mazel tov. Ma, you do spell Daphna with a PH. I was right. Yes.
So who all went to Hawaii?
Let's check that.
We're going to Hawaii October 6th.
Oh, really? It was so much fun.
We've been there before.
Hello.
Hey!
Wait.
Hi, Mazel tov.
I'm at a party and this is a grad.
Oh, okay. Do you want to say Mazel tov or say a speech?
Daphna is a very
Setting.
nice person
There's the napkin holder.
and she's so beautiful.
There's,
I think
the party girl.
a great uncle.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Do you think he'll be a great uncle? Okay, that's a good.
Elisheva, get in the picture. Yeah, I want to get some pictures.